Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change install path in League of Legends. In order to change the install path in League of Legends, firstly you need to download the setup file. So we'll open our browser and type League of Legends download. Now go to the League of Legends download page. From here we'll select for download for Windows. Then click on start download. Now the download will be started. After the download is done, we will see a file like this. We'll just double click on it. Click on yes. Now we are in the install section. We'll just go to advanced settings. And from here we can change the install path to whatever we want. For instance, if I do not want my game to be set up on the F drive, instead I would like it to be installed on the G drive. I'll open up G drive, make a new folder, name it League of Legends. Then select it, press OK. And now the League of Legends install path will be set to this folder. And if I click on install, it will be installed in this location. So this is how you can easily change your install path in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.